Hi class, my name is Jada Bartholomew and I'll be doing my presentation on police brutality. Policy proposition. There should be stricter consequences against police brutality. Police officers need to be held accountable. Harm. Police brutality, the harm it is causing is undeniably too much. The pain of innocent lost lives is so deep within America itself, it is sickening. But that is nothing new. This has been happening since the abolishment of slavery. Slave Patrol was created to target free black men in America in order to imprison them in the new prison system that was built in America. Police brutality only affects the people of color. If this does not change, it will just cause more riots, more protests, more anger within the black community. Black people and police always being at odds because they do not protect the black community but kill them like animals. I said 1,044 black Americans were being shot by police. And that number just continues to rise every day, and there's nothing changing it. The status quo attitude is open for change because you can see within the movements and the protests, people of all races are having enough of the killings of black people. You see with the Black Lives Matter movement, the coming together of each race, support, and trying to do everything they can to bring awareness to what's going on in America. Making note that this is not okay. This should not be allowed because of having different skin colors does not mean it's okay to treat people differently. With this movement, 2/3 of U.S. adults say that they support the movement, with 38% saying they strongly support it. And among those are black Americans, although the majority of white, 60% of them support it. Hispanics is 77%, Asians 75%. Americans expressed at least some support. Having that being said, you see people of all different backgrounds, race, lifestyles coming together to make the movement possible. And it shows America is moving in the right direction by seeing all these race of people with different backgrounds and etc. They're all coming together to support this movement and seeing that this is not okay, the killing of black innocent people. The solution. It all starts within the system itself. There needs to be someone with enough power in the system fighting for black people and actually fixing this issue. Not just painting a pretty picture over the raw, nasty, and graphic pictures of what's being presented. You see videos of black people getting shot down by the police constantly. And somebody needs to be in office fighting solely to fix this issue. Like, all about fixing this issue, trying to protect black people, and the police officers that are doing this on purpose, in a way, having prejudice against blacks or people of color, they need to be held accountable. They don't need to have that job because police officers are there to protect everyone and anyone, not just a certain race. They need to protect people of color, whites, Asians, everyone, because that's what they're there for. And by having this movement go on, you have celebrities speaking out, and politicians and all these powerful people are coming together to find a solution to fix this problem. As you can see, it says right here, American rapper Drake made a donation of $100,000 to a nonprofit. And that right there, he was helping black mothers and caregivers in prison. So he showing action by helping mothers and caregivers in the prison system. So when they get out, they have some type of hope. And with these celebrities just speaking out on the killings of the black people, it just shows like they're not hiding it, and they're not taking no for an answer. Like, it's time to see change. It's time to hold these the police officers that are doing wrong accountable for their actions. And these are my references. And that's it. Thank you.